Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm doing my firework stash. Okay, I got this big assortment pack called Party Pack 6. I got the green box that came with it. It came with the Party Pack artillery shell kit, the rocket fire, guarding and springs. You've seen that in my videos before. 4 corners, enemy fire, 18 shots. I don't know how many shots this one is. Saturn missile, red, white, and blue, you can see. I got some fountains here. I got red alert, 49 shots. A 100 count of black cats. A star fountain, red, hot, and whatever this other green thing is. And I got 200 strips of black cats. I got little dynamites, mega salutes. I got the 4th of July cake. And I got these premium 8-ounce rockets. And peace out. Have a happy 4th of July.
Peace out.
Peace out.